My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are associated with the website Digitalcaptcha.top. Digitalcaptcha.top. These are the pop-ups that are fake human verification alerts. As you can now clearly see, the pop-up indicates that you need to click on Allow to confirm that you are not a robot. But this is a tricky and very misleading information. If you mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on that Allow button, this very moment your browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. So you will start facing a lot of advertisements that will be displayed randomly on your computer screen. Plus, you may be forwarded to some other questionable website that may, for instance, collect your personal details or infect your system with other adware or some browser hijacking apps or other potentially unwanted software. In the light of this information, we strongly advise that you do not click on this Allow button, and if you have done that by mistake, you need to implement some browser fixes. Go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, then in Permissions click on Notifications and check the list of the websites allowed to send notifications. Delete any malicious sites you find here on this list, and this should fix the problem. I also recommend you to additionally examine your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application and begin the detailed checkup of your computer, because it could be that the system is also infected by some other threats. Combo Cleaner will help you very well to detect these threats automatically. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode, even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.